This 2024 Forest River Surveyor Legend 260BHLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This new Forest River is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a desert canyon interior, sleep 6, refrigerator, spare tire kit, smoke detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, stove-top burner, external shower, DVD player, LP detector, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front dinette, front living area, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Surveyor Legend 260BHLE is 5,740 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.